Okay guys, let's try this again. So what we're going to do today is graph. You're going to be given an equation, y equals mx plus b. M is going to be the slope. That's what we studied yesterday. And b is going to be the y-intercept. So the y-intercept is going to be where it crosses the y-axis, right there. And that's going to be the first thing we graph. So what I'll do is if I have an equation, let's say y equals 3x plus 2, I'm going to go to the y-intercept first, the 2, and I'm going to go to the y-intercept, the y-axis, 2, so up 2. So that this graph, wherever it is this line ends up, okay, here's a bunch of examples of where it might go, it intercepts the y-axis at 2. That's the important thing. Now the slope says 3. That's going to be a 3 over 1. Okay, turn it into a fraction is what I mean by that. If it's not a fraction, turn it into a fraction by making it over 1. And then it's rise over run. So that means I'm going to go up and down 3 and left and right 1. And since it's positive, that means I'm going to go up and right. So 1, 2, 3 over 1 puts me right here, like so. Now, in the event that we have a slope like 2/3, that would mean on the graph I would go up 2 over 3, like so. If it was a negative 2/3, please note that the negative sign is only going to get to be applied to either the top or the bottom. You do not double apply it. So normally what I recommend is apply it to the up and down, take it down 2, and then just always go to the right, however many it says to go. So in this case it was 3. Okay. The opposite of that would have been if I had a point, and if for some reason I was unable to go to the right because that was the end of the graph, you can go ahead and go up 2, but then apply that negative to the bottom, and now go to the left 3. As you notice, the lines still look pretty much the exact same.